Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. The Tokyo National Museum, or Tokyu Kakuritsu Akabutsuken, is the oldest and largest of Japan's top-level national museums, which also include the Kyoto National Museum, the Nara National Museum, and the Kyushu National Museum. It was originally established in 1872 at Yushima Seido Shrine and moved to its current location in Ueno Park a few years later. The Tokyo National Museum features one of the largest and best collections of art and archaeological artifacts in Japan, made up of over 100,000 individual items, including nearly 100 national treasures. At any one time, about 4,000 different items from the permanent museum collection are on display. In addition, temporary exhibitions are also held regularly. Good English information and audio guides are available. The large museum complex is home to 6 separate buildings, each large enough to be considered a museum on its own, which specialize in different types of art and exhibitions. The main Hongan building was opened in 1938 and exhibits a variety of Japanese artwork from ancient times to the 19th century, including antique Buddhist statues, painted sliding doors, scrolls, ceramics, and maps, in addition to cultural items such as masks, costume, armor, and weapons, among other historical artifacts. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. With over 120,000 items in its collection, of which 89 are priceless national treasures, the Tokyo National Museum is Japan's oldest museum. Any of the museum's buildings could be a museum of its own, so get to Ueno Park early and save a full day for looking at as many of the 3,000 items on display as you can. The iconic main Honkan building provides an extensive overview of Japanese art and history, encompassing Buddhist art, samurai swords, kabuki costumes, intricate metalwork, and much more, all with great English information. The Toyokan expands this view to the rest of Asia, exhibiting art objects and archaeological artifacts from China, India, and beyond. The Heiseiken contains the Special Exhibition Gallery, Japanese Archaeology Gallery, and Thematic Exhibition Room. Lastly, there's the Gallery of Horyuji Treasures, a collection of over 300 Buddhist treasures from Nara's Horyuji Temple. There are shops and cafes all around the museum, and during the spring and autumn, you can visit the museum's traditional Japanese-style garden and tea houses. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The Tokyo National Museum, Tokyu Kakuritsu Akabutsuken, or TNN, is an art museum in Ueno Park in the Teidu ward of Tokyo, Japan. It is considered the oldest national museum and the largest art museum in Japan. The museum collects, preserves, and displays a comprehensive collection of artwork and cultural objects from Asia, with a focus on ancient and medieval Japanese art and Asian art along the Silk Road. There is also a large collection of Greco-Buddhist art. As of April 2023, the museum held approximately 120,000 cultural properties, including 89 national treasures, 319 Horyuji treasures, and 649 important cultural properties. The Japanese government had designated 900 works of art and crafts as national treasures and 10,820 works of art and crafts as important cultural properties. So the museum holds about 10% of the works of art and crafts designated as national treasures and 6% of those designated as important cultural properties. The museum also holds 2,651 cultural properties deposited by individuals and organizations, of which 54 are national treasures and 262 are important cultural properties. Of these, 3,000 cultural properties are on display at one time, with each changing for between 4 and 8 weeks. The museum also conducts research and organizes educational events related to its collection. Please do watch our other Ueno Japan series. The facilities consist of the Honken, holding the Japanese gallery, the Heiseiken and Hyokaken, holding special exhibitions, the Toyoken, holding the Asian gallery, the Gallery of Horyuji Treasures, holding important relics originally preserved at Nara's Horyu Temple, the Kuroda Memorial Hall, holding a collection of works by Kuroda Seiki, and the Research and Information Center. There are restaurants and shops within the museum's premises, as well as outdoor exhibitions, including the Kuroman and a garden where visitors can enjoy seasonal views. The Tokyo National Museum is one of 4 museums operated by the National Institutes for Cultural Heritage. The other 3 are Kyoto National Museum, Nara National Museum, and Kyushu National Museum. The Tokyo National Museum is a representative museum that comprehensively exhibits Japanese cultural assets, but other national museums are more complete in specific areas, such as cultural assets from the Meiji era in the 1800s to the present. The independent administrative institution National Museum of Art operates 7 museums specializing in specific fields, including those focusing on modern art and Japanese crafts, and those focusing on Western art, to museums managed by the National Institutes for the Humanities focus on folklore. The Museum of the Imperial Collections, managed by the Imperial Household Agency, focuses on cultural assets donated to the nation by Japanese imperial family. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. The museum went through several name changes. The original 1872 exhibition was known as the Museum of the Ministry of Education. The compound in Uchiyama Shidacho was initially known simply as the Museum Hakabutsuken before becoming the 6th Bureau of the Home Ministry, after which it was again known as the Museum and then the Museum of the Museum Bureau. It was renamed the Imperial Museum in 1888, reflecting its change of ownership of the imperial household as other museums opened. This changed to the more specific Tokyo Imperial Household Museum Tokyutai Shitsu Hakabutsuken in 1900. Following the government reforms imposed after World War II, it was renamed the National Museum in 1947 and the Tokyo National Museum in 2001. The museum is also sometimes known as the Ueno Museum. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.